Assalamu alaikum students. I hope that all of you are safe and fine. So students, today we have to yesterday we studied we have started the sixth chapter, that is graphics and basics, and now we have moved towards the topic number 6.1.2, and that is of color statement. So let's begin with the topic. After screen modes, the next important thing used in graphics is the color statement. The purpose of color statement is to select display colors. Now it is the basic definition of color statement, that color statement is basically used to select the display colors, that how your picture or your diagram will look like when it will be colored. Okay. Before this we studied about the screen modes का हमने पढ़ा था. After selecting the screen mode, the next important thing is to choose the colors. So color statement is basically used to select the display colors. Now there are three syntax of color statement. You can use any one of them according to your requirement. First one is color, foreground, background and border. Means to say that there would be a foreground color, background color and a border color. After that you may write color, background and palette में से you can choose the colors. And after that there is a foreground color and background color. If you don't want to assign any color in the palette, you can only give the foreground and background color of the image and the background of that image. In general, colors allows you to select the foreground and background colors for the display. In screen 0, a border color can also be selected. Now in screen 0 we studied that there is a monochrome display in screen 0, but in screen 0 you can select a border color can be changed in screen 0 mode also. In screen 1, no foreground color can be selected, but one of two color palettes can be selected for use with graphic statements. And in for screen 1, there are different specifications of every screen. So in screen 1, you can use or you cannot select the foreground color, but you can select the palette colors. There are 4 colors in the palette. You can select any one of the color in screen 1. The different syntaxes and effects that apply to the various screen modes are described below. Now let's see the effects and syntaxes of different colors modes. So the first one is screen 0. Now there are a few important points in these concepts and you have to learn these concepts. For in screen 0, what would be the colors and what are the ranges of the color and which color is allowed and which is not allowed, these all are explained in this. In screen 0 modifies the current default text, foreground and background colors and the screen border. So screen 0 will basically apply the text foreground and background colors and the screen border. We have studied that for in screen 0 you can give the border color as well. The foreground colors must be an integer expression in the range 0 to 31. Foreground color की क्या range है 0 से लेकर 31 तक. It is used to determine the foreground color in text mode, which is default color of text. 16 colors can be selected with the integer 0 to 15. A blinking variant of each color can be selected by adding 16 to the color number. Now basically the color range is from 0 to 16, but you can add a blinking color also. When you will add 16 to the color number, for example if you are selecting color number 7 and you have to add the 7 plus 16, that would be equal to 23. So the legal range of the foreground color is from 0 to 31. So from 0 to 31 you can select the colors. For background color, the color must be with the integer expression in the range 0 to 7. So you have to remember this, that for foreground color the range is from 0 to 31, and for background color the range is from 0 to 7, and is the color of the background for each text character. Blinking colors are not permitted here. So for foreground you can use the blinking colors by adding 16, but in for background you are not allowed to add the blinking colors. Okay. The border color is an integer expression in the range 0 to 15. So from you can select the border color from in the range from 0 to 15, and is the color used when drawing the screen border. Blinking colors are also not permitted in the border color. Okay, so only the border is allowed in the foreground. If no arguments are provided to color, then the default color for background and border is black color 0, and for foreground is as described in the screen statement reference pages. So in color statement there is no need to give the arguments. मतलब आगे argument में उसमें बताना नहीं पड़ता आपको. If you need to use only the word of color, you can also use it. Okay. Next is your screen mode 1. In mode 1, the color statement has a unique syntax that includes a palette argument, which is an even and odd integer expression. This argument determines the set of display colors to use when displaying particular color numbers. For screen mode 1, you can use any of the following palette colors. So the argument determines the set of display colors to use when displaying particular color numbers. For hardware configuration, the default color settings for the palette parameter are equivalent to the following. Now there are a few colors in the palette. 3 colors: green, red, and yellow. These can be used in screen mode 1 and in for screen mode 0, and for screen mode 1 you can use the next 3 palette colors, that are cyan, magenta, and white. Okay. For screen 2, no effect and illegal function call error message occurs if color is used in mode. So screen 2 mode does not allow you to use any of the color, and if you use any color, an illegal function call error message will be displayed. And now from screen mode 7 to 10, in these mode, no border color can be specified. The graphic background is given by the background color. Now you can only assign the background color in screen mode Z7 to 10, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, and you cannot use any border color in these types of screen mode. Note: arguments outside valid numeric ranges results in illegal function call errors. Now if you are using you are moving outside the specified range, so there will be then error message, the error would be illegal function call. So the system will do not recognize that what you want to call. Now there are a few examples about it. The following series of examples shows color statement and their effects in the various screen modes. For screen 0, see here that for screen 0 they have used say color 1, 2, 3. Now 1 is representing the foreground color, 2 is representing background color, and 3 is representing the border color. Okay. In screen 1 you can use color 1 and 0. 1 means for foreground, for matlab even palette number, and for 0 means even palette number, and 1 means odd palette number. So you can see over here, foreground color is 1 and even palette number, and foreground color is 2 and odd palette number. For screen 0 they have written 3 and 5. For screen 8, 9, 10 all are the same. 7, 8, 9, and 10 are the same foreground and background colors. Now the next thing is of palette. Next topic, 6.1.3. It is used to select from one of two color sets that are already available, such that these color sets will be used by color parameters of a line, circle, pset, draw, or other graphic utilities. Now for palette, you can select different colors. This is the exact definition of palette, that you can select one of two color sets. जो कि color set आपको provide किए जाते हैं, उसके अंदर से आप अगर कोई color choose करना चाहो, then you can take the colors from the color palette. जैसे आपका coloring palette होता है, आपका different चीजों का palette होता है, same इसी तरह आपका colors का palette भी होता है. ठीक है. Syntax इसका simple सा है, palette, attribute और color. इसकी डिस्क्रिप्शन देखें, द पैलेट स्टेटमेंट वर्क्स ओनली फॉर सिस्टम इक्विप्ड विद द एनहांस्ड ग्राफिक एडॉप्टर. अब ये जो पैलेट होता है, यहाँ से कलर्स जो चूज करते हो, ये आप सिर्फ उन्हीं सिस्टम्स पर यूज कर सकते हो जो कि जिनके अंदर एनहांस्ड ग्राफिक एडॉप्टर का कार्ड रीडर लगा हो, ग्राफिक्स का अच्छा कार्ड रीडर लगा हुआ हो. ठीक है. A GW basic palette contains a set of colors with each color specified by an attribute. Each attribute is paired with an actual display color. अच्छा, अब एट्रीब्यूट में क्या होता है, आपका एक्चुअल कलर आपको बताना पड़ता है कि which color do you want to choose. This color determines the actual visual color on the screen and is dependent on the setting of your screen mode and your actual physical hardware display. The value of palette may be either 1 and 0. If palette 0 and 1, then the colors are. So there is a detailed description about the colors. Now there are two types of palette colors. It might be even or it might be odd. So for even, you can see that there are four colors: 0, 1, 2, 3. That is from background color: green, red, brown. And for even odd palette number 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, there are four colors: background color, cyan, magenta, and white. Okay. Next, now move towards the next topic, that is new statement, that is p set statement. P set means point set. Purpose क्या है इसका? To display a point at the specified place of the screen during use of graphic mode. So if you want to point on the specific place of your screen, so you needs to use the p set statement. Or for setting the point, it might means that you needs to draw any diagram, or you want to draw any square, circle, etc. Coordinate values can be beyond the edge of the screen. However, values outside the integer range -3 to 768 to 3 to 767 causes an overflow error. So if the coordinates you are assigning is outside the given range, again जिन्होंने दी हुई है उससे आगे अगर चले जाएंगे तो there will be an overflow errors. 0 0 is always the upper left corner and 0 to 199 is the lowest left corner in both high resolution and medium resolution. If the value for color is greater than 3, an illegal function called error is returned. So if you are using any color that is greater than 3, means to say that the palette colors are from 0, 1, 2, 3. And if you are assigning 4, there would be a error that would be illegal function call. So means to say that system is not recognizing the command that you are using. Now next is the syntax of pset statement. Pset x, y and color. Pset x and y are the coordinates. Points हैं जो कि आपको screen पर draw करने के लिए बनाने पड़ेंगे. And color, you might select any of the following color from palette. You can see the example. Following program clears out the screen by setting each pixels at 0. They are assigning a loop over here for I is equal to 100 to 0 step -1. Pset I. दो आई है मतलब 100 से लेकर 0 तक जाना है, हर दफा इसकी वैल्यू चेंज होगी और कॉमा देकर वो 0 लिख रहा है. 0 मतलब फोरग्राउंड कलर कोई भी चूज कर सकते हैं. 0 इज द कलर. नेक्स्ट आई. अब जब ये 100 टाइम्स इसने चलना है, 100 से लेकर 0 तक जाना है, 100 टाइम्स ये चलेगा तो आपको पॉइंट फोरग्राउंड कलर कोई ना कोई सिलेक्ट होके आपके स्क्रीन पर डॉट्स ड्रॉ हो जाएंगे, पॉइंट सेट हो जाएगा. ठीक है. Next statement is your line statement. The purpose of line statement is to draw lines and boxes on the screen. We can use the line statement to generate a line between two statements. Now it is quite clear from the name of the statement that line statement is used to basically draw the lines and boxes. If you want to design any box or if you want to draw any line, you needs to use the line statement. The syntax of line statement is line. You have to type the keyword of line. After that, you have to mention the coordinates x1, y1 minus x2, y2. Attribute b, f and style. Now see the description of the syntax. In the syntax, the values x1, y1 and x2, y2 are used to specify the coordinate positions of starting and ending points of the line. So it is clear that from where you want to start and where you want to end, you need to describe the coordinates points. These 2 points positions are separated by a minus or dash sign. The attribute specifies the color or intensity of the display pixel. Now in attribute, you can describe the color, for which color you want to use for the linings. बी बॉक्स टू ड्रॉ अ बॉक्स विद पॉइंट्स. अगर आपने बॉक्स पूरा बॉक्स ड्रॉ करना है तो उसके लिए आपको बी का वर्ड लिखना पड़ेगा. एंड इफ यू वांट्स टू फिल दैट बॉक्स यू हैव टू यूज बी एंड एफ. एफ मींस फिल्ड बॉक्स. To draw a box as B and fills in the interior point with points. The style is a 16-bit integer mask used when putting down pixels on the screen. This is called line styling. Now for style, you can use any one of the following style that is from the range 0 to 5. कोई भी स्टाइल आप चूज कर सकते हैं. नॉर्मली हम ये स्टाइल वाला जो है एट्रीब्यूट है इसको हम स्किप आउट कर देते हैं. It is used for normal lines and boxes but invalid for fixed boxes. Now for style you can add only for the normal lines and boxes you can add style, but for the filled boxes the style attribute is not eligible. Okay, or it is an illegal. The simplest form of line is the following: line dash x2 comma y2. This draws a line from the last point reference to the point x2 y2 in the foreground color. अब ये लाइन x2 y2 से क्या होगा, ये आपकी लाइन जो है वो ड्रॉ हो जाएगी. ठीक है, ये आपका चूज कर, आपका अपनी मर्जी है कि लाइन को कौन सा कोऑर्डिनेट्स पूरे कंप्लीट देना चाहते हो या किस तरह से लाइन ड्रॉ करना चाहते हो. एग्जांपल देखो, लाइन 160 0 माइनस 160 और 199, लाइन 0 0, इससे क्या होगा, ये जो ऊपर है इससे आपकी एक सिंपल ये वाली लाइन ड्रॉ हो रही है. ठीक है, और फॉर दिस कोऑर्डिनेट्स बी लिखा हुआ है मतलब बॉक्स ड्रॉ करना है लाइंस के साथ, तो ये आपका ये आप पूरा एक बॉक्स स्क्वायर बॉक्स आपकी स्क्रीन पर ड्रॉ हो रहा है. Okay students, so this was all up to the line statement. In our next class we will study about the circle statement and draw statement, and after that the chapter will be finished. Thank you so much.